Hey, GGS Northfield students, I'm Mr. Jaquette here with the entire math team. Hey, everyone. So we are here collaborating, working as a group, and we have realized that one thing we need to step up in virtual learning is math collaboration. Math is something that happens, it's dynamic, it's in society. If you're gonna use this skill, you're gonna need it in a job, and you're gonna work with other people in math. And we realize that's hard in the virtual setting. Students do great working independently, our teachers do a great job presenting material, but as a math leader in this school, I am demanding that your teachers prepare you for the world by asking you to work in groups. And we want to talk to you guys, how can you rise to that challenge so that you can be collaborative in math? Because that is a key math skill. So we're going to model some math collaboration for you guys and talk about some things that we need to make sure that you are doing to be a successful math collaborator.
First things first, once you get into your breakout group, please make sure that you have your camera on. And if you're available, please also leave your audio on. If it's too loud behind you, we get it, you can turn it off. But otherwise, please leave that audio on.
Keep your audio on.
It's really important when you get into your breakout room that you figure out why you're there. Why are you meeting as a group? It's also really helpful to mention to your group any tech challenges you have so that way your group can modify the way that they need.
Hey, Mr. Balch, I just wanted to let you know that my Wi-Fi is cutting out a little bit, so I'm camera off, but I'm all in. And I really like your cat in the background too.
Thanks.
Okay, everybody, so when you are in your breakout rooms, you are going to be talking about math. That means you're going to be sharing what you know about the problem. You are going to be sharing any strategies that you will use. You're going to be sharing any type of procedures that you want to use. You're going to share operations that you plan to use to help you solve the problem. You will also show your math. So I know it might look a little different in each classroom, but whatever your teacher expects when it comes to showing your math, please do so. And if you are agreeing or disagreeing with someone, please make sure that you're doing so using respectful language. For example, I respectfully disagree, or spot on, I agree with what you have as your answer. And then if you have any questions, make sure that you are communicating with your group about any type of confusions that you have. So it's always important to ask questions because we are all teachers and we are all learners.
And if all else fails and you don't know what to say, you can always use sentence stems.
And so after you've done that first problem, let's try to get other students involved. So maybe you can alternate. One person read the first question, a second person can read that next question. And if you have a reluctant participator, try to ask them a question. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let's try to get all of the students involved. We know that it's hard sometimes to collaborate about math, and students can be a little bit more shy, but we need everyone to step it up. We need the leaders to invite other students to participate. If you're feeling a little bashful, maybe you don't want to share the first thing, but you can share that second thing. So math collaboration, it is such an important life skill, and you need to lean in. If no one in your group is participating, press that ask for help button so that the teacher knows so they can get you guys started. But what we need is to invite other students to participate and to take chances and participate about math in a group. It is a crucial skill.
Okay, guys, so we're supposed to be doing the boom cards that Mr. Perez put on Google Classroom. So I'll go ahead and share my screen, and I can start by reading the problem. The average teenager sends 6,820 text messages a month. If there are 31 days in the average month, how many texts on average does a teenager send? And then it looks like we're given like sentence for our answer. We have to fill in the blank. A teenager sends an average of blank texts in 1 month.
I have an idea, Ms. Marshall. Thanks for reading that, by the way. I think since it's talking about averages, that I think we're supposed to divide.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Joe. I think that, and I think this one seemed like for me that we should probably do long division. So that's probably how I was going to try to solve this one. But I was kind of getting confused. Which numbers should we divide?
Well, they had 6,820 texts.
In 31 days, right?
Yeah, I remember Miss Marshall talking about saying something about 31. So are we doing 6,820 divided by 31 or 31 divided by 6,820?
I think it's 6,820 divided by 31.
Yeah.
Why do you
come?
think that?
Yeah, I'm confused by that. How come?
Because that way, so like the 6,820 is for the entire month, and we're being told that this month has 31 days. So if we divide the total by the amount of days, it'll tell us how much or how many texts they're sending on average per day.
Which one goes on the inside?
That would be the 6,820.
Yeah, I like how Ashton has it set up.
So good.
Okay. All
All
right.
right, so do we all want to solve on our own and then we could talk about our answer?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Works for me. Did
Hey
anybody
guys,
get a reminder?
answer. I'm gonna run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay, thanks.
Did anybody get a remainder?
I didn't. I'll show you. I got 2,200. Did anyone else get 2,200?
I'm close, Mr. Jaquette. I got 220, so some
Oh,
digits
yeah.
are the same, but
Yeah, no, actually,
Just
mine
not
doesn't
your-
make sense because 2,200 is like one third. So I think my answer is wrong. Sorry.
Mr. Jaquette, can you hold up your work again?
Yeah. So sorry, it's hard to see. I was just on a legal
there we
pad.
go.
Yeah.
Where did
It
you
looks
have-
like
Go for it, Ms. Marshall.
I don't think you subtracted the 62. So you would do that 31 times your second 2 and then subtract.
Okay. Right.
And
Right.
then bring down the last 0.
Okay.
Oh, I made
Oh, okay. I see the mistake I made. Okay. What did I got 220.
That's
Sweet.
what I got too.
Okay. Awesome.
So we can all go ahead and put in 220 and then move on to the next card.
great.
And that's how the math team collaborates.
Boom.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. That was great, guys.